What I have for you today is a little showdown on my 40mm padlocks. Start things off. This little Brinks 142, representing the 40 series. Not very well, but that's it. Thank you. This one is a lovely demonstration of how these adaptive turners are quite nice, because you can just throw it away to the back and then should be able to... Yep, that was a Lockcraft. Want to be Master Lock 140. And go with the Brinks. Another variation with the Master Lock 140. And this one, for some reason, wants to fight me tonight. There, thank you. I'm going to go with the V-line Master Lock now. I can let this hang out a bit, I think, on this lock. Ooh. Turn the camera on. This happens. You're not supposed to be this hard. There, thank you. Had to tickle it more in the back. This one's a real treat because they actually made the keyway to where I can't just put a 40 thou in it, so we're going to use top keyway on this one. A little bit of single pin picking with the good old hybrid pick. As you can see, the Brinks was actually harder than it. Now for at least my favorite. I'm giving it a nice little wibble wobble. Oops, set some of those pins. I'm bringing it back up with a back hump. Sets that pin on the front there. How come I'm actually going to make me concentrate? There we go. More. Oh, you're just dropping pins. There you go. Thank you. This is so far my favorite brass body 40mm padlock. I'm going to start using these green ones to show my seal of approval on them. It's very nice. Well, comparing its competitors. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.